everyone, this is Sky. Hello. I'm going to guide you through restorative practice, and it would be nice to have a couple of pillows. Pillows, those are pillows, and two cushions, just additional. And if you have a bolster, that'll be great. Go for it. Sky, can we do the practice? Is that okay? Thank you. So start with the pose that open your chest. So put the pillows or bolster, whatever you have. I use two. You can use just one if you want to. And sit close as much as you can. And just simply lean back onto the pillow or bolster. And your legs, your choice. If you want to stand the knees up, go for it. Or make a butterfly, fly, butterfly. Or straight your legs down. And at every pause when we change, make sure to take a time to get the most comfortable pause. And you can also change during the time if you want to. And simply take a long deep breath. Drop your shoulders. No need to force anything. Just simply be here. Be now. If you want to put your hand on the belly and on the chest. It's always nice to get a feedback from your hand. If you notice your mind start jumping around, try not to criticize yourself. Just simply acknowledge and gently bring back to your breath. Before come out from the pose, take a few more long deep breaths. When you're ready, slowly come out from the pose. Maybe use your arms to push up. Take your time. The next pose is a twisted upper body. So sit on the side, both knees go to the same side, and then try to put from your belly to the chest onto your props, whatever you have. And you can put it one side of your cheek. You can make a pillow with your hands or put on the side. Into this pose, take a big inhale, send it to your back. And exhale, soften. Every now and then, checking in with your body, your shoulders relaxed, your neck is relaxed, your arms are relaxed. If you notice any noise, come and go, let it go. If you notice any sensation, come and go, let it go. Take a few more long deep breaths here. When you're ready, slowly come out from the pose, use your arms. And before we move to the other side, we're going to stop over at easy forward bend or supported child pose. It's up to you. So if you want to just do the easy forward bend, maybe put the legs wide and then just simply lean on. If you want to put a little bit more height, put the cushions or one more pillow if you like to. Or if you prefer supported child pose, you can bend the knees and either you can sit on heel or drop on the floor. It's up to you. If it doesn't feel good on your knees, just easy forward bend will be better. And slowly onto the pillow or bolster. Same like before, send the breath to your back. See how you feel. If your knee is hurt in any way, maybe change the position. Feel free to alternate for yourself, maybe one knee straight and the other knee is bent, or both knees straight, however you like. This is your practice. If it's hard to keep in a pose, you can always come out and have a break. And maybe come back. Take a few more super soft, long, deep breaths. When you're ready, slowly come out, take your time. And now we're going to try the other side. You can keep the bolster here or blocks, whatever you're using. And you just simply sit the other side. I'm going to just move below so I can see you. Again, sit close to blocks. And bring both knees to the side that you didn't do. And put from belly to the chest. Take your time to get into most effective, comfortable pose. Right side to the left side is lots of times is different. So just simply listen your body, see how you feel, and adjust for yourself. If you find it difficult not to think anything, it's always helpful if you count the breath. Maybe big inhale 1. Ease exhale 2. Big inhale 3. Ease exhale 4. Big inhale 5. Ease exhale 6. And you might find yourself start thinking. It's okay. You simply bring back to the breath. If you fall asleep, that's okay too. Maybe that's what you need to do. Take a few more super soft, long, deep breaths. When you're ready, slowly come out from the pose. If you want to finish with a shavasana, go for it. Maybe you can use a pillow to support your head as long as you want. And thank you for requesting a restorative practice, Christine and Claudia. If you have any requests, send us a message or leave us a comment. Thank you for watching. See you soon.